Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. We're here to take a look inside the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to DSLR video, but to focus on one aspect of what we cover in that. And what is that, Todd?
It's the one-man band. And to me, being a one-man band means that you do all the camera work, you do the lighting, you do the sound, and it allows you to do things at an early stage where you don't need a lot of people, you don't need a lot of money because you're doing it all yourself, but it also educates you in all these different departments to where when you do grow and you do hire other people, that you have a great knowledge base to be able to manage all those departments when you're just directing or you're just producing. So I think being a one-man band is a great thing.
Yeah, and we really hammer that home throughout our video series because it's important to go out there and do these things on your own. Because I know when I started shooting my own videos that I didn't have anybody helping me out. I had to set up the camera, I had to set up the tripod, I had to make sure the lighting was okay, I had to figure out on my own how to do audio, and I did a terrible job at the beginning. I mean, I truly wish that we made this for me and you back when we were learning, but really the one-man band is something that we both started doing ourselves.
I absolutely was a one-man band, and I had to make tons of mistakes before I finally figured out what worked and what didn't work. And you know, I probably missed some opportunities and probably blew some good shots because I didn't necessarily have a good foundation to build off of with each and every department.
So what's great about being a one-man band is that you are learning everything that you need to learn so that you can pass on that information to maybe an assistant that's helping you out or somebody that you bring along. So as you grow or as your jobs or just the shoots that you're doing get more entailed, you can have people that help you out because you are teaching them what you've learned in the one-man band.
I'd also say as you grow and expand, having that minimal knowledge base is going to be even more valuable when you eventually hire people that know more than you. There's going to be a sound guy that knows everything there is to know about sound, a lighting guy that knows everything about lighting. At least you can have an educated conversation with these professionals at a baseline. You've got a good foundation to be able to have that discussion.
And so really the point here is that I want to take the fear out of thinking that you need all of these people, all of these assistants to help you get a job done or just shoot your kids running around. You don't. You can do this on your own. Todd started out doing it on his own. I started out doing it on my own. And you guys can do this on your own and you're going to figure it out. So this is one of the main focuses of the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to DSLR video. We just wanted to hammer it home so you understand that you can do this as a one-man band. So there you have it. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.